Welcome to my channel Omer, and in this video I will show you that how to format slide background in PowerPoint. So from scratch, from beginning, I will show you. So as you want, you can edit the background of your slide in your PowerPoint. So whatever you are creating, any presentation or any work or any other thing, any project, and you want to change the slide background, you want to play with the background of your slides, and individually how you can edit them. So you can see I started with a blank PowerPoint, and here you can see there is a blank, white with white background slide. So we can right click here on this slide, and here you can see format background. So you can select on format background. Now you can see we can fill it with solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. So these things we can apply. So for example, solid fill and color, we can fill it. See, there are different colors. So if, for example, I want to apply this color, just click and you can see the background will fill with the color. And transparency, opacity, you can also select, and here you can select like blue, see, and whatever the color you want, you can select. Okay, and the gradient fill, for example, so gradient, if you want to fill with a gradient instead of a solid fill, so you can select gradient fill. In the gradient fill, you can see like the preset gradients. Here we have different, like this blue one, so you can see this with white shade, you can also see, and the type of this gradient is radial, so we can change it to linear, we can change it to rectangular, see, and rectangular. And here you can see the direction also, like this, see, so it looks stunning. And gradient stops, we can also change them, like this one. If we click here, then click this color and we can change the color, see, we can also change the color. Control Z you can press for undo. So in the gradient field, we can see the preset gradients, we can see the type of the gradient, direction we can change, gradient stops we can change, then color we can change, then position you can also change, like 46%. If I change it to 66, see, it's like this. So you can change it, like 30%. Now so you can see it's less than the previous one. So transparency, opacity, brightness you can also change. So this is gradient. If you want to apply, you can apply. Picture or texture fill, you can insert picture from here, or you can also texture fill, see, automatically the texture is coming. And same thing, transparency and other things you can change. Texture you can apply like this one, see, different texture we have, so we can apply as a background, see, so it looks also stunning. Okay, and next, see the fill option, then pattern fill. So if you want to fill with the pattern instead of the solid gradient or picture, so you can also use pattern fill. So there are different patterns fill, see, it also looks very stunning option, so we can fill with them. And here we can change the foreground and background color, like foreground color we change it to red, so see the yellow it's changing. So anything we can change here, the background we can also change. So this is the method we can use to format slide backgrounds in PowerPoint. And if I click apply to all, for example, if I first select a texture fill and I click here on the texture like this one, so I like this background, so we can click apply to all. Okay, so you can see if I add a new slide from here, so see, automatically the background has been applied to all of my slides. So this is the method we can implement, we can apply to apply the same style to all of our slides of the presentations of the project. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.